Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So, to enter secret codes you just have to open keypad on your device and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *pound 09 pound, and this is the email information. You have email QR code and some other interesting informations about it here. The next code will be *pound 426 pound *pound *, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can see some informations about your Wi-Fi connection. The next code will be *pound 225 pound *pound *, and this is the version test. Here you can see lots of different interesting informations about your device, as you can see. The next code will be *pound 4636 pound *pound *, and this is the some other phone information menu. Here you can see usage statistics of applications on your device. Here you can see some Wi-Fi information too. The next code will be *pound 558 pound, and this is the some testing menu. So here you have OQC test. So here you can test some features of this device, I guess. Yeah, you can see some phone information, you can play some music, see your email numbers, and some other features. So the next code will be *pound 07 pound, and this is the code which displays your SAR level. And the last code for today will be *pound 06 pound, and this is the code which displays your email 1, some EID numbers, email 2, and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.